We begin tonight with CCISD as one of the two school districts in the state being accused of discrimination and violating federal education and civil rights laws. The complaints filed today with the Department of Justice and Texas Education Agency were brought forth by 4 different civil rights groups. The other school district being accused is Bonham ISD, that's up in North Dallas. Our Bill Churchwell joins us now to break down those details tonight and how the district is responding.
At the core of the complaint made against CCISD, it's alleged there is a trend in which students with disabilities are pushed into truancy court, where they are often ordered to drop out or attend a GED program rather than receiving necessary educational services. These are the 4 different agencies which have filed the complaints. The complaint to the TEA was filed on behalf of students who have disabilities in CCISD, who are said to have been forced out of school through the overuse of truancy court referrals. They say this discriminates against students with disabilities and ultimately removes them from the classroom instruction, violating their right to a free public education. There are 5 alleged violations. CCISD did not identify or evaluate students suspected of having disabilities, contrary to the requirements of IDEA and Section 504. It states that CCISD recommended students for GED programs without proper reevaluation. The 3rd violation alleges CCISD failed to provide necessary special education and related services to address attendance issues. It also says that CCISD did not accommodate students whose absences were related to their disabilities. And lastly, CCISD did not implement required truancy prevention measures in violation of Texas law. It goes on to state during the 21-22 school year, at least 13% of 1,146 students referred to truancy court were receiving special education services. CCISD responding to our request for a statement saying, in part, CCISD has not received notice from the TEA regarding a complaint of this nature. It later reads, quote, "We are aware of reports that a complaint has been made to the Texas Education Agency and are glad to fully cooperate with the agency as needed." You can read that full statement on our website. The groups are calling on the TEA to investigate and say that CCISD must revise their policies and train staff to ensure compliance with the law, as well as provide students with reimbursement for fines. Back to you.
All right.